Day 6. This is what we're talking about. New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. We have hit the first take profit level. That was our 2 times ATR to the stop loss, 1 to the take profit. So we bagged that one, $101.34 less the 90-cent swap. It gives us $100.44. And still in profit, as you can see. We are just over $200 up on this trade. See if we can get all the way to that take profit level too. Yes, please. Pound US dollar not looking too bad either. Has gone to our favor, not by too much. Did push towards the first take profit level. Couldn't get there, but still encouraging that we're at least in a little bit of profit over all these 3 sub trades that are still open, worth about $285 to us. But nothing counts until we bank it. Let's check those other charts, see if we've got any fresh signals. Great British Pound, Japanese Yen turns a little bit away from the overbought area on the money flow index, not getting us any close to a signal. Pretty snoozy out on the charts though tonight. Not a single reversal candle, not a single overbought or oversold on the MFI. It'll happen. No sweat though really when we're seeing these trades in the blue. Let's get them monies. We'll be back tomorrow. Day 7. Not our best day, but our 3 sub trades still open and all to our favour still. New Zealand dollar CAD, that did go back against us. Good thing we grabbed some profit yesterday. It's open to me a retracement before it continues on its reversal path. Still about $100 up for the sub trade. Pound US dollar, that went back against us as well. Still not past our entry point though. We are $30 up thereabouts. Waiting for one of those take profit levels to trigger. Any day now, I reckon. Let's check the other charts. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, almost getting a reversal signal, but price did find a low today. So can't go any further with that one. Yeah, it's slow. Pound yen still hovering near the overbought on the MFI. 75.994 is the reading. Great British Pound, Australian dollar, almost a reversal, but the high on the previous candle ever so slightly higher than today's candle. But it's not quite for us. Same deal on the Great British Pound, New Zealand dollar. No surprise, it does run very close to the Great British Pound, Australian dollar pair. And yesterday's high just keeping us out of a reversal candle. And the red today bringing the MFI down away from the overbought region as well. Not what we want to see. We want to get in some trades. That is it though. No new signals again. Let's keep these trades a rocking. And no doubt we'll be back tomorrow. Day number 8. Bad day for both our trades. Still open on all the sub trades. But you can see pound US dollar, that's gone for almost 0.5% against us. And New Zealand dollar CAD about the same. Between the 3 sub trades and now down $147.57. Less than optimal. Maybe we got some new signals waiting for us. Australian dollar, Swiss franc, green day could start heading more towards that overbought territory on the MFI. 64.61884 at the moment. It's got a bit to go. On the euro Swiss franc currency pair, we've got a reversal candle here, but that's only 1 of 3. Nothing on the MFI, and price hasn't been outside the standard deviation channel today. This is the closest thing we got to a signal so far, so thought I should pass comment. Same on the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, reversal candle, but nothing from the SDC and nothing from the MFI. Same on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. We've got a reversal candle, a higher high in price from the last 3 days. Look at how close we are on price in terms of getting outside the SDC. It is touching the upper channel, but it is not outside of there, so no signal from there. Let's double check the MFI. Straight down the middle there, 52, so no signal. That's it for the charts again. No new signals. A few reversal candles appearing today, but nothing else to back them up. So we'll hope that these 3 sub trades we got open find their way to profit, that is. Let's check tomorrow. Day number 9. Things getting a bit worse for us as the reversal against our reversal continues. In fact, we've suffered a loss on the Great British Pound US dollar. It's our 1 times stop loss, 2 times take profit sub trade A. It's gone for about $200. And as of today at least, it looks like we got knocked out pretty near the top. Let's have a look on the 15-minute chart. Yeah, that was pretty close, within about 2 or 3 pips of the top. Maybe it'll continue tomorrow though anyway. Who knows? Still got the other sub trade open at currently $80 down. New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, that's heading towards the stop loss even more now. It came quite close, only about 10, 12 pips off. But the important thing is it didn't get there, and now price pushing back down, so maybe that can continue. We could be looking at a retracement here, and maybe 2 times take profit in the not too distant future. Got to be optimistic. Let's check those charts. Reversal candle here on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Let's get the MFI. Ooh, not quite overbought. Standard deviation channel. Similar to yesterday, we are not quite there. Price is just touching the standard deviation channel edge, but not actually getting outside there. Ever so close. Just about getting a reversal signal here on the Euro Australian dollar, and we've got the MFI oversold 15.57947 to be precise. So we should have an entry signal here. We'll double check the correlation against these pairs. Don't think there should be an issue against them. as we're currently not in a euro or an Australian dollar currency. Let's finish checking the charts before we jump in. Just to confirm though as well, on the euro Australian dollar, we do actually have a price outside the channel. So we've got all three of our signals lighting up for us. It's got to be a winner. On the euro New Zealand dollar pair as well, we do have the reversal candle and we've got it outside the standard deviation channel as well. 2 out of 3 active, so that would be an entry. But the euro Aussie, euro New Zealand dollar pairs, unsurprisingly, a very high correlation, 91. Since we've got the MFI signal on the euro Australian dollar but not on the euro New Zealand dollar, we'll go ahead with the euro Aussie dollar as the one for the trade. New Zealand dollar Japanese yen given a reversal candle, but no MFI at 74.752, not quite there, and no standard deviation channel either. We move on. Again, almost on the New Zealand dollar Swiss franc pair, price not quite outside the channel though, and the MFI a little bit short of the overbought territory, only the reversal candle giving us a signal. So it's no signal at all. Nothing else available, it's got to be the euro Aussie dollar for us. Average true range lighting up at 132.2 pips. So that'll be the stop loss for subtrade A. Subtrade B will be 264.4 pips. You can see both our risk calculated on screen now. First trade up is 0.21 standard lots. And we are buying the market. Almost selling it for a second there, don't want to be doing that. Been there before. Set the stop loss and take profit for that one. There it is, 1 times the stop loss, 2 to the take profit. Both of them looking attainable. And trade 2, got to round this one down at 0.10. Can't go exactly half of 0.21, no sir. It's another buy trade. And there's the stop loss and take profit, looking all good. Very pretty. 4 sub trades open now. Let's come tomorrow, hopefully we got some take profits. Ooh yeah. Day 10, it's the end of the week. And it's bad news again, the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. This is one where we got a win on it at the 1 times take profit level, but it's gone all the way back and it's wiped out our stop loss. You can see the close is right up at the high there. Just about an hour and a half ago. You can see where it's taken out there. A loss of $200, no good. This New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar trade done though. Bad news on the euro Aussie as well. We were betting for the reversal. Hasn't happened yet. It's carrying on down prices. That does mean another day oversold for the MFI. At least hasn't hit any of our stop losses though. Both sub trades still open. Around about $80 down between them. And finally, pound US dollar. Not a lot of action here. Has come back a bit in our favour. But still 60 buckaroos down. Hey ho. Let's check those other charts. Reversal candle on the Australian dollar Swiss franc pair. But the price hasn't been outside the standard deviation channel. And the MFI is not overbought. So nothing we can do with that bearish reversal candle. Try again another day, Aussie Swissy. No new signals for us. We'll have to try and bear with the pound US dollar and the euro Aussie dollar. Still not getting more confident as time goes on with this strategy. The trades are coming in losers as we are. 2 times ATR a bit too much to ask at the moment for the profits. Maybe we'll get there next week. We'll be back on Monday. Let's just take a look at our journal before we dip off for the weekend. And so far, around about $300 down, started at $20,000 at $19,692.81 is where we're currently at. And our active trades are losing as well, so really our equity is lower than that. And when we see the trades that have finished, or at least the sub trades that have finished, well, it's the 1 to 2 trade that's coming through for us, snatching up that quick profit. You would imagine over time that the 2 to 1 would perform better. That's what people usually talk about trading with, at least. Probably just because of how good it sounds. Oh, I'm getting 2 times the reward for every 1 loser. Yeah, well, right now, our only winner is the 1 to 2. So as we look, currently, that's the better. So they're going to continue that way. Who knows? We've got a long, long way to go. So it's certainly far from over. And if we can pick up some of those 2 to 1 take profits, that would make us truly ecstatic. It's got to come.